Assalamualaikum, grade 5. How are you all students? Hope you all will be fine. Today is 18th May and it is Tuesday today. Grade 5, open up your books. Yesterday we started factors and multiples chapter number 3 of your smart mathematics book. So let's start the lecture. Open up your books, page number 34. Today I am going to tell you the definitions of some of the terms of your chapter. For example, the first term is prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Grade 5 prime numbers क्या होते हैं? A prime number is a number that has only two factors. Okay? Prime number is a number that has only two factors, for example 1 and the number itself. How you can say? You can say 1, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the prime numbers and they have only two factors. The factors of all these numbers are only two pairs. कैसे two pairs होते हैं? If you make the factors of 1, you will get only two pairs, and if you want to make the factors of 7, so I have made factors of 7 for you. 7 के कौन कौन से factors होंगे? These are the pair. If you multiply multiply the numbers, that when you will get 7. How you will multiply? 1 multiplied by 7 is a product of 1 and 7 makes 7. So 1 multiplied by 7 is 7 and 7 multiplied by 1 is also 7. Is there any other number that makes 7? No, we don't have any other number, only 1 and the 7 are the factors of 7. कौन कौन से factors हैं 7 के? 1 and the 7 itself. So remember one thing always, prime numbers has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Is this clear to you? Okay, now we will learn about the composite numbers. What are the composite numbers? Composite numbers, a composite number is not a prime, is called a composite number. अच्छा, composite number कौन सा होता है? कंपोजिट नंबर वो नंबर होता है जो कि प्राइम नहीं होता. प्राइम कौन सा होता है? द प्राइम नंबर ओनली हैज़ टू फैक्टर्स, ओके, 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ. बट द कंपोजिट नंबर is a number that has more than two factors. Okay, you can say it has more than two factors, for example, or in other words you can say a number that has more than two factors called the composite number. For example, what are the examples of the composite numbers? 4, 6, 8, 9 factors, pairs of 6. Let's take example of one. हम इस एक ही example ले लेते हैं. For example 6. So I am going to make the factors of 6 and we will see, let's say, how many pairs or factors 6 has. The first pair of the 6 is 6 multiplied by 1 is 6 and the other pair 2 multiplied by 3, or you can say 2 3 times is also 6, and 1 multiplied by 6 one time and 1 6 time. So 1 multiplied by 6 also makes 6. So now from these pairs we can make the factors. कौन कौन से factor बन सकते हैं? We will write from these pairs factors in ascending order. So smallest one is the 1. ठीक है, कौन सा इन सब में छोटा factor कौन सा है? Is 1. Again next is 2 and then 3. 3 is also a pair of 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is also a pair and 3 multiplied 2 is also a pair. ठीक है, so 1, 2 and 3 and 6 itself. So how many factors you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4 factors हैं. ठीक है, factors और factors pair कितने बने थे? 4 बन गए हैं और factor कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 6. So a composite number has more than two factors. Is this clear to everyone? Now we will see prime factorization. What is the prime factorization? Grade 5 prime factorization. Product of two or more prime numbers or prime factors is called prime factorization. Prime factorization, product of two or more prime numbers. For example, as I already have told you कि product of two or more prime numbers कौन से होते हैं? That has only two factors. For example, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. So product of the prime numbers is called prime factors. So now we will see an example. For example, if we express 30 as a product of prime numbers or factors, you can see I will use the division method to express 30. Now we will by dividing the smallest divisible prime number. Do you know this method? 2 what time makes 30? 2 15 times. 2 ones are 2 and make it 10 here. Do you know this short method of division? 2 ones are 2 and when I put 1 on this number to carry, it becomes 30. 2 fives are 10, it becomes 15 and then 3 fives are 15. So you have to count the smallest divisible prime number, okay? 2, 3, you can't take 4, 5, 6, only 2, 3, 5, 7 or prime numbers, okay? This is the method to express the composite numbers into the prime numbers. So the factors of 30, कौन से factors हैं? 2 3 are 6, 6 5 are 30. If you multiply these prime numbers, we will get 30. Okay, grade 5. Now prime factors of, let's take another example of prime factors of, now prime factors of 32 are, again I will use the division method. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Can you see this? 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again we will divide 16 by 2, 2 8 are 16. Now divide 8 again by 2, 2 4 are 8. We will divide 4 again by 2, 2 2 are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So now we will write all these. कौन से prime numbers आए हैं? These are the prime numbers. If we multiply all these numbers in ascending and now you can see these all are 2, so we will write them. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. So in this way we can write the prime factor, write the prime factor or prime factorization with the help of division method. Thank you grade 5. Watch the video very carefully and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much grade 5. You have to write, I will send you pictures of these definitions. You have to write these definitions in your notebooks and you have to memorize also.